Hi, welcome to Animated Infographic course in After Effects. In this course, you will learn how to design and animate different types of infographics using the Adobe After Effects software from scratch. You don't need any previous knowledge of After Effects or motion graphic design. Now, let's start at the super basics. By the end of this course, you can create amazing infographics in After Effects. In this course, we are going to create 10 real projects. You will learn step by step how to make each of them. Our goal in this course is to teach you how to make amazing infographic in record time.